we're flashing, Tom.
You are flashing.
Fantastic. Right, where's the enemy? Steve's there, I see him. Oh no, any of them could be Steve, to be honest. They're all the same colour. Actually, that's him. Right. Come on, boys, let's set the front. Nope, but I'll be dead in a second. Come on, boys, get out there! Move! Push! Watch out then! Ow! Fuck. See anyone? There's one on the left over there, a bit far away. That's not very straight. Oh no! Right on the arm. It's my favourite little plant. Right. You see anyone down here? No? Left. Right. Oh, I forgot my knee pads. I'm so shit. Motherfucker. Right, let's hold him down here then. You dead? Oh, sorry, bud. Well, you got a long way up. Fair play, you're in the spawn. Well done. One here on the left looking through the bushes. Two on the caravan. Straight to the front then. Ooh. Oh, there you are. Let's take this this little ditch. Hit from behind. Oh, fair. They're walking backwards. Confusing. Ooh. What's up? Fuck's sake. That's friendly again. Not too far forward. Oh. Oh. A lot of friendly fire up on that front line. Yeah, watch out. Oh. Bust. What are you doing there? Fuck's sake. As if I didn't see you.
Beautiful run there.
Getting worn out.
For a camera at that moment.
I've done fucking 4 runs already. Keep dying.
I've got 8 kills so far.
Have you?
Yeah.
There's a guy in that pillbox, right where I was trying to push up to.
Alright, take this dig right down.
We've got to go around the pond. This shoot's nice. Yeah. Very straight. Okay, I think we might have come the wrong way. No, it's alright, it goes round. Well, we got, here's the out of bounds rope, so we're as far as you can go. Ow. Alright, this was a shitty route, I'm not gonna lie. I have to crawl. Don't have knee pads either. Oh. So I forgot one glove and my knee pads and everything. The price you pay, eh? There's movement ahead, I can't see. Yeah. Skins, push. Yep. Coming. You saved me there, that was good. Well done, Tom. Don't lose the carrot in the middle. Trench. There's one in the open, there's 2 in that opening. Yeah, can't really. Right, let's go further. Cheeky flank. Hit! Good shot! Oh, how the fuck do I get out of here? That's a bush crawl. Oh. Yeah. Oh, we'll be alright, They're fucking held right in the spawn. They can't even get through that bush. That's like most of the map. Oh, have you not been here? Oh, well, you should follow me then. I've been here once before. Yeah. So, you've got the castle. In the middle, there's that lake, and you've got a few pillboxes. And then on the other end, there's like a bush. It's got various breaks in it where you can get through. And there's a small town in a field at the other end. They spawn in that town. But that bush we just pushed to is how to get out of the town, so they're really pulled in. They are, yeah, quite nicely actually. I don't know what the right's doing, but left is it's not looking good for him. No, this is shitty. This is the worst bit. Ah, pick a different route. This one sucks. Oh. No, it's easier just to run down the middle. Yeah, this is the quickest route. This will have the most targets on it as well. But if they're still holding it, hopefully we can get up near the end. Fucking badass, that. You know, fucking cool. Alright, well let's take the left then. If we do a little breakthrough, that'd be nice. We can take those hedges, they're fucked. Alright, come on then. Left. Lefty boys. Whoop.
Any good?
Right, do you see any? Yeah? Where are they? The white barrels or the metal ones? Okay, yeah, so through the... If we can take that bridge, that'll be really nice. It's a really good spot. Got to get there though. You feeling energetic? Let's go! Oh! Little charge. Oh, I regret not wearing my knee pads. Oh, Steve! I've died a lot. Alright, let's see if we can use one of these maybe. Alright, what we got here? Right boys, I got to pick up 4. Who's coming with me? Yeah, we're going to go take that bridge down there. I need some support. Come on. Right. First use of Uno Tactical. Only got 2 of the pickup 4, but that's alright. That's alright. You ready to get shot?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Because we're going right at the front. Oh, in fact, we need to push forward and take the bridge on the left.
Okay.
Because that's a really nice strategic point.
Okay.
Right, the bridge. See that hut? There's another one in front of it, and then the bridge is in front of that. It's not going to be very safe.
That's where I keep getting shot.
Yeah, that's why we need to take it. But if we all take it together aggressively, then we'll keep it, you know. Right, come on boys, come with me. We're going to go take the bridge. Right, we want to do a heavy push to that bridge and see if we can take it. Are you boys down? Yeah? We're going to lose some boys. But, oh, hang on, we've already got the bridge. We've already got the bridge. Alright, let's hold the bridge. Well, we'll push past it then, fuck it. Let's take their village. Alright, on the barrels. Barrels! They're on the bridge. Oh shit, well we're having the bridge then. Let's have the bridge! Get off the bridge, you filthy bands! This is my bridge! Behind you. Sorry. Are they on the hit? Right, we got the bridge though. Yes! I'll be back in a minute. Shot in the leg though. I need to cover my legs better. What a...
What you cover, you're going to get shot in where you're not.
Yeah, well, yeah, effective use of cover though. My leg should not be a target. good at squatting after a while though. It's good exercise for your legs. Have you not? Oh, I play every week. Oh, love it. Fucking shit though. Yes boys, good push there. Well done, let's do it again. I want that bridge, that is my bridge. Tighten this thing. Right, come on noodles, let's do it. Right, moved up a little on the bridge, that's nice. Got a bit of hill here. That bridge has got so many angles, if we can just get on it. That's good. Bit of a scream does the trick, doesn't it? Right, coming past you. Right, I took fire from the window of the container before. So we got some boys in there. Right, cover me! This is my bridge! My bridge! Fucking shitty winding thing. Hello. What a nice day for a bridge. Have we got them out the windows of the green thing? Kind of. He's a sneaky boy. Oh, that. Got a lot coming from that. Behind the barrels on the right. Can't shoot him through that tree. He's dead. Where's Tom? Probably still pushing the right. Right's looking nice. Go on, Marshall, get up there, we're taking this ground, boy. Right. Shoot. Can we get any further forward? Yeah, I heard it. Don't fancy a go on that, I've got no sleeves. Where is he? Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. Suppressing. Oh. And we've got smoke. Oh, Marshall smoked it for us. Should we use that? We want to keep some boys on the bridge, but we could move up. Right, I'll tell you what, you boys stay on the bridge. I'm going to see if I can get under it.
In the green building.
Alright, Steve. Oh, my barrel's been shot. Who's shooting my barrel? How dare you shoot my barrel, sir? Need to get past the bushes. Need to be past this tree line. But they've got a load of guys up there on the right. Right flank maybe isn't doing as good. Yeah, they're filling them in pretty quick. They don't have to go back far to spawn. Took him a while. Maybe took me a while. Oh no, I lost my backup. Right. Give us some full auto, methinks. Oh. Reloading. Oh, I hate fucking putting them back in here. Hit! Ah, died a little too late there. No more respawns! Make them count!